Here's how to apply BioAdvanced 3-in-1 Weed and Feed for southern lawns. First, only use 3-in-1 on established lawns such as Bermuda, centipede grass, zoysia, and St. Augustine, including Floritam. Then, measure your yard using length times width. The 10-pound bag treats up to 4,000 square feet. The larger 20-pound bag treats up to 8,000 square feet. Next, make sure your lawn is actively growing and has been mowed 2 times. Then, you're ready to apply. Remember to check the temperature. Only apply when it's between 50 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Find your spreader settings on the back of the bag, set your spreader, and add granules. Then, apply to your lawn, making parallel passes. 3-in-1 Weed and Feed kills existing lawn weeds, prevents new weeds and crabgrass for up to 6 months. Plus, feeds and greens your lawn. BioAdvanced. Get more from the blue bag.